Happy Thanksgiving. I'm probably posting this the day after because I'm lazy. But we're going to Al's Steakhouse and then we're going Black Friday shopping even though we're broke. We're at Al's Steakhouse. There's more people here than I thought, but we have a reservation, so it's fine. But how do you feel about parking this thing?
I got it.
Okay. So we're parking in the grass. Big truck things. Yeah, we're gonna go in the truck. Do you want to come?
Keep your phone on so I can be here.
Okay. We have a reservation, but it's still a really long time waiting.
What up? We just ordered all of our food and everybody went to the salad bar, but I don't want salad. So I'm alone. Beautiful. I love life, actually.
Use your teeth, use your toes, eject it in.
I'm done. Okay, so we ate and we're at Walmart. We're waiting for Savannah. She's driving. I'm gonna show you what the parking lot looks like.
There's Walmart for you.
She's like, make sure it's blonde. I was like, okay.
One of my ex-friends are here with their truck, so I had to rev and all good.
We're not doing very good, but we're also not here for anything specific. Okay, so I got my mom a present and my baby cousin part of his present. And we're gonna go to Best Pro, which was kind of a last minute decision, but we like it there. So we're going to Gabe's house because Savannah's meeting us there because I'm not gonna make her drive separate. And then we'll be on our way. Yeah. Okay, so I looked up online to see if Best Pro was open. They're not, but they open at 5 a.m. in the morning. Are we gonna? We're not.
Probably not.
Probably not. But we're going to Target because Target's close. So Savannah's back there somewhere. Target doesn't look as hectic as Walmart was. But I also feel like it's because Walmart... Those poor Starbucks people. Why are they made to be there? Okay, why is anybody in retail required to be? Yeah, like Karen does not need her coffee, I promise. Okay, well, Gabe's insisting that we park here. So we're parking here.
Yeah, my tire's wet. What'd you get, Savannah?
That's kind of cute. Versus Armadillo. Everyone's gonna know what that is. You don't.
I don't. So I'm not cool. Actually, get that. That was pretty hot.
Should I have This must be a static person.
Should I get B-roll of the purses?
Wait, I think it's because of this. I went like this. And then... Wait, stop doing it anymore. I kind of want it. It's fish. Kaylee looks bougie.
Kaylee is bougie.
I feel like this would get dirty though.
In her last life, she was $1 million fashion designer that had vision. Yes.
Are you
With your
getting
Mike
that?
and Ike's.
I don't know. I might just, and it won't get dirty. This one will get dirty.
This is pretty bougie.
And plus, I would look weird
Pretty-
playing this
pretty-
like all
pretty-
the time.
Stupid.
What do you think, babe?
I think
Do you think
do whatever you want.
this one? I think this is the same as that.
Yeah.
Okay, this one's like 50.
That one or that one. Is that your decision? This one or
They
this
don't have
one?
your pink though.
Well, this one feels like a dog. This one feels like a cow. And I like dogs.
Does this look like a briefcase?
No! Looks like a purse.
That's what we saw last time, isn't it?
That they look like briefcase?
Yeah.
You're stupid. Buy it.
Should we? Which I don't know. Which one's better, Gabe? Which one do you like?
I like dog.
You like
I
dog?
think it just looks more bougie.
It does look. You look rich as hell.
Like this.
It's like, oh, look, I'm a mom, and then this one's like, oh, I have $1 million. You already have one though. Oh, that matches your purse though.
What I'm saying is, if you get me anything else for Christmas,
If you do not know, I spent so much money on her for Christmas.
The other one looks like a.
I'm buying you Mike and I. If you don't want it. No, I put one on the other day and I actually look good.
So you actually look good. What the heck?
You do
What?
look good. Kayla looks
I look
good
like
at
I'm a
everything.
slave.
Very metallic.
You could dig it.
I can dig it. It's like, because pink looks good and it has a pink undertone. Okay, so we're leaving Target and going to Gabe's mom's house. I don't think we got anything that was on sale except for candy.
I love candy. Like a nice fire.
But I got my purse! So we're...
Oh, I'm on the phone. Oh.
Savannah's having a laugh attack. Gabe's right here. Caleb's coming over.
Penis lover.